What's up, grade 12? I am Gustin Mapala. Welcome at Maths with Gustin. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that we can give you massive content when it comes to grade 12 mathematics. Now, today's example, let's have a look at derivation from let's have a look at derivation from definition, where we are having an example here, which is y is equals to z. Y z is equals to 7, z cube is minus 5, z to the power of 2 over 3. Right. So the question says let's find dy over dz. Please don't be surprised. Questions like this, they do come. I know we're used to x and y. So I think sometimes they also use t as well, those examples. So I just put it up here so that we can get used to working with other variables. Okay, so now the best way to deal with this example is to first thing first, to try and simplify this whole equation before you can take out the dy, or before you can take out the derivative. Okay, so now our equation, let me just put it here, is yz is equal to 7 z to the power of 3 minus 5 z 2 to the power or 2 over 3. All right, so now what I will do now here is to divide everything by z, divide everything by z, divide everything by z, so that I can have y as a subject of the formula. Therefore, z and z would cancel out. Then I'm going to be left with y this side. Here, it's 7, 7. Then this z would cancel out with 1 here. Then I'm going to be left with 2. Therefore, it's going to be z squared. And then here, minus 5 will remain at 5. Therefore, here is as good as to the power of 1. So therefore, if I take out, this is the same as saying, let me just put it up here so you guys can see, it's the same as 3 over 2 minus 1, which is 1 from the power here. We haven't done exponents on this channel, but you might want to subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe so that when we do exponents from this chapter, you'll be able to know how we got to where we were. But for now, it's just going to be 2 over 3 minus 1 for the sake of understanding. Therefore, you're going to be left with this. I think it will give you minus 1 over 3. Okay, so it's just going to be z minus 1 over 3. All right, great stuff, guys. Now that you've got our linear equation, we have simplified everything. We've got a linear equation. Therefore, you can come here and say dy over dz will therefore be, from definition, we know derivative by definition, you will say you drop the exponent. So it's going to be 7 times 2, which is going to be 14. Then you minus 1 from the exponent, which is 2 minus 1 is just going to be 1, which is just z. And then here in this case, you drop the exponent of minus 1 over 3 is going to be it's going to be plus. Okay, yes, plus, because of this negative here. It's going to be plus 5 over 3. And then on the exponent, you must minus 1. Minus 1 over 3 minus 1 is going to give us minus 4 divided by 3. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen, that's how you would deal with this one. Please make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. If you don't understand, make sure that you leave a comment on a comment section below. I will definitely attend to it. And please let us know on this channel which chapters are you guys struggling with and which ones would you like us to cover. Then we'll definitely do that and assist you guys. Make sure that you get that distinction in grade 12, because I know you need it. I am Gustin Mapala. See you on the next upload.